My name is Diana Marcela Liscano. Date April 26, 21, 2021. Route 21, 20, 32, 27. Name Tutor Jennifer Tovar. Unit NAT Step 3 Step 4 29 IT Negocios. Problems to negative biological products. Problem real to the protection of intellectual property. Is what its different commercial range of the biological to product are parent and grand at the rate where it's being raised and the no common is the or attack and band of biological diversity the protege in the range to go part on the alter is not tag in for code. Problem real to ball technologic. Problem is why are to lag and negotiate in their entirely as seeing a cool los muy different size rates while pros whilst run a proversion pro payments in the product marketing where goals seeing a are associated in their full mix on the technological transfer. Problem real to negotiate. The negotiate trans a particle in the negotiate process we visualize a different conflicts where individual advance are sound airs into or pains in the never are good dialogues and the able towards fin and where balls bend the part in the fly in the soul tax no count repart concession arts and the cursions and evaluation. Definition and advantages on the technological transfer. Is pros and the old transmission of the technology it's an wall or it is both to access organization what adquired scientific advance which allow green are the ambassador as provides graves contribute to society which of the technologies all are the soul effects change the world. Some of the bands are 1. Identify never technological 2. Fill in the parts 2 4 in never Mac invest in the it international of technological evolution in the edge of the sectors, mar and province technological in their competitive economic problems. Recommendation. What a entering is grand as to income which a to will take advantage of the project and difference it are which will a project what do not have difference in rates and do the fix commercially and final stack. Once the dialogues between two parties are made so was a satisfy air interest and to avoid greed pause and the difference. Bye.